Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And today I've got a classic juggling trick for you, which a lot of people learn after they can manage to do a really good smooth 3-ball cascade. Now if you can't do a 3-ball cascade, there should be a link above my head. Click on that. That tells you everything that you need to know to do a rock solid 3-ball cascade. So you're going to need 3 juggling balls, tennis balls, socks, apples, oranges, but if you're using the fruit out the fruit bowl, don't tell the people that you're living with, and I promise I won't tell anyone too. It'll just be our little secret, okay? So you're going to start by just doing a throws, one from your right, one from your left. And what you're going to focus on is trying to get them to do them at the same time to the same height. So you're going to throw to about a foot just above your forehead. Should look something like this. And you can see if you throw them at the same time to the same height, it looks like they're joined by an invisible bar. Next, in your dominant hand, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to practice this in the right side of my juggling space with 2 balls in my right hand. You're just going to do columns, 2 balls in one hand, and it should look something like this. And again, the focus is on making the throws to the same height consistently each time. So putting that all together, it should look like this. What you're going to do is you're going to throw one from your right, one from your left at the same time, and your second throw is going to go straight at the middle of your body. So it should look like this. And in slow motion, so I hope you've really enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found it informative and that you've added another trick to your 3-ball arsenal. If you have, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button too. If you're watching this on Twitter or Facebook, make sure that you follow me. If you've got mates into magic, balloon modelling or juggling, tell them about my channel, get them to check it out and get them to subscribe too. But until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.